The push-up, she's showing you like the proper push-up. People ask like, do we have to touch your nose to the ground or anything like that? No, you don't. You just want to be 90-degree angle with your arms. We're going to have people in here, all the coaches, the SAs will have different people there keeping an eye on, so we'll make sure the reps are proper. Nobody's just doing a little, half drop or something like that. So 90 degrees, body stays straight, pressing back up. So knocking out, and let me actually get the rep count out for you too, because
I think I remember.
we have 20, I think, is the push-up count, and then it's going to be broken up into 2 rounds. So think about how many push-ups y'all can do in a row. Like if we have a 10-rep push-up in class, if you get to like 7 and you're just like dying to get that 7th rep in, then we probably want to cut it at maybe like 5. Do 5, get up on your knees, take a second, catch your breath, 5 seconds to 10 seconds, back to it, 5 more. However you need to break it up to help you move through them as just efficiently as possible without getting too tired.
Can you switch through the exercises, or do you have to do them in a certain
We
order?
would need to knock out the 20 counts together. So you're going to get to go through 2 rounds, but you would have to do the 20 push-ups before you move on to the next exercise.
Right.
That makes sense. But now there are some that you might be able to take recovery. For me, like bench tap squats, one advantage, like none of us are really tall. So our bench tap squats are a little easier than those people who are like 6'7". They have a lot further to go down. So anyway, so you might be able to, bust those out pretty quick if you feel good about your squats. 20 bench tap squats as well. So that could be an area where you can go fast, just get 20, and then you're ready to go for the next thing. The bench hopovers. Bench hopovers are going to be 40, so that's a little higher count. That is going to be kind of fatiguing, doing 40 times jumping over the bench. One thing to be aware of on the bench hopover is just make sure you don't have to go way up here, getting your feet way up. You want to be as efficient as possible. Just a little bit of a hop over, enough to clear it, and land soft on the toes, back and forth, nice and smooth.
What's one? Is it just one?
Yeah, every time you tap down,
2?
that would be 2.
Okay.
Okay, so 40
Okay,
total reps
that's
there.
not bad.
Show them what a fault would be on that.
A fault.
Yeah.
So
I know
if you're
how-
like hopping over, landing on one foot.
Are you
back and
disqualified?
forth.
No, we just tell you
Okay.
to clean it up.
Right, we don't want to see
Okay.
this.
Yeah.
That doesn't count. All right.
Fair enough.
And again, just not hopping too high. You get amped up, you just gotta think, slow down, quick, little efficient hops over the bench. And then this is where for me personally, I take a lot of my recovery, is step up. So step ups are gonna be broken down 20 reps. You do 40 total, but it's 20 reps on each leg. So you'd be right leg coming up, back down, and you want to make sure that you get your heel all the way up. We can't have this. You'll see people, that's not going to count, okay? So we got to press to the heel, come all the way up, coming back down. You can knock out your 20 reps on one, 20 on the other. I like to just get in a groove here, and I'm breathing, catching my breath, getting my breathing back under control. I'm not going a million miles an hour. Now, you might want to just bust them out really quick, but that's where it's easiest for me to catch my breath and get recovered. So that's kind of my active recovery, my base on the floor, if you will.
Do you alternate right leg and left leg, or is it all right, 20 all
The
right?
way it's written is to do your 20 on the right, 20 on the left. I've seen people online talk about even coaches switching it up, but technically
Technically, it's all right, all
it's
left.
supposed to be, yeah. So I mean, I've seen that on Facebook, but that's not technically in the line of the rules. So you're supposed to do, if you're trying to win, all right, all left, or so we're across the board the same.
You're gonna win.
just trying to
You're
finish.
like, I'm just trying to
Just trying to
survive.
Yeah, even if you're trying to survive, it's the rule. Burpees, we have burpees.
Oh,
Now,
come on.
These are the easy burpees.
Just
Okay.
10 burpees, and
Okay.
it is the easy burpees. So it's not the push-up, not the hop. Just dropping down, kick the feet back underneath, standing up.
Okay.
So now one thing we can't do whenever we do the burpee is turning it into a pop jack. You have to actually stand all the way up tall. So just keep that in mind. You can knock those out pretty quick. Again, if you need to, knock out 5, take a second, hit 5 more, however you need to do it. But it's just 10 at once. End up being 20 total burpees, so it's not too bad. If it was like 40 burpees, that'd be ridiculous. Plank jacks are the other one. So the plank jack, y'all know what the plank jacks are. Come down, got the elbows under the shoulders, straight line with your body, kicking those feet out. All right, now that doesn't count. It's got to come at least out wide enough for us to see a difference, not just tapping the toes. Again, any of those you can take to options and we can give you options for it, and that's fine. We want you still to do it, get it in, push yourself, but
10 or 20?
20 reps on the plank jack. So, yeah, everything is 20 except for the hop overs are 40, step ups are 40, but it's 20 on each leg. And then the burpees 10.